In the world of physical training, functional fitness stands out as a vital component for injury prevention. By focusing on training movements that mimic everyday activities, functional fitness enhances the body's ability to perform daily tasks while reducing the risk of injuries. This type of training involves exercises that engage multiple muscle groups, promoting a synergistic approach to strength and stability. When the body learns to move as a cohesive unit, it becomes less susceptible to strains and sprains that often occur during isolated movements or incorrect lifting techniques. The cornerstone of functional fitness lies in enhancing core strength and stability. The core serves as the foundation for nearly all physical movements, acting as a bridge between the upper and lower body. By incorporating exercises such as planks, medicine ball throws, and kettlebell swings, individuals strengthen their core muscles, leading to improved posture and balance. A strong core not only supports proper movement patterns, but also minimizes the likelihood of injuries related to overexertion or incorrect biomechanics during physical activities. Another critical aspect of functional fitness is its integration of flexibility and mobility training. Many injuries occur due to tight muscles and restricted range of motion, highlighting the importance of stretching and dynamic movements. Functional fitness routines often include dynamic stretches, agility drills, and mobility exercises that enhance flexibility. By allowing joints to move freely and muscles to elongate, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of injuries during activities such as running, jumping, or lifting. Thus, promoting mobility through functional fitness becomes paramount for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Lastly, functional fitness emphasizes proper technique and body mechanics, which are crucial for injury prevention. Trainers often emphasize the importance of form during exercises, ensuring that each movement is executed correctly. This focus on technique not only maximizes workout effectiveness, but also ingrains proper movement habits in individuals. Over time, this translates into safer performance in sports and daily activities, as individuals develop an intuitive understanding of their body's capabilities and limitations. In summary, functional fitness plays a transformative role in injury prevention by promoting core strength, flexibility, and proper movement mechanics. As individuals incorporate these elements into their training regimens, they develop a robust foundation that supports their physical capabilities. Ultimately, embracing functional fitness lessens the risk of injuries, empowering individuals to lead active and healthy lives with confidence. The journey towards injury-free physical activity begins with the commitment to functional fitness. In our pursuit of a healthy lifestyle, functional fitness has emerged as a powerful approach that emphasizes strength, balance, and coordination, all essential for our everyday activities. Unlike traditional workouts that may isolate muscle groups, functional fitness trains the body to work as a cohesive unit. Think of an athlete sprinting across a field. Every muscle, tendon, and joint must work together seamlessly. This interconnectedness is what functional fitness aims to enhance, making it not just a training regimen, but a way of preparing the body to prevent injuries in daily life. The foundation of injury prevention through functional fitness lies in its principle of mimicking real-life movements. Activities such as squatting, lifting, and twisting are integral to our daily routines, from lifting groceries to playing with children. By engaging in exercises that replicate these motions, individuals can strengthen the muscles and joints needed to perform them with ease. For instance, incorporating exercises like lunges or kettlebell swings can help to develop lower body strength and stability, crucial for activities like running or jumping. This proactive approach builds a resilient body, reducing the risk of sprains and strains. Furthermore, functional fitness significantly enhances balance and flexibility, both of which are vital components in minimizing injury risk. As we age, our balance often diminishes, leading to a higher likelihood of falls and related injuries. Through exercises such as single-leg stands and balance boards, individuals can improve their stability and proprioception. Additionally, flexibility training, which is often overlooked, complements functional fitness by ensuring that muscles can stretch and contract without tearing. Whether it's a yoga-inspired stretch or a dynamic warm-up, these activities help in maintaining a healthy range of motion. Finally, the adaptation of functional fitness to individual needs makes it accessible to everyone, from athletes to those in rehabilitation. By offering tailored programs that consider the specific requirements and limitations of each person, functional fitness creates an inclusive environment This personal touch not only promotes safety during exercise, but also fosters an enjoyable experience. As individuals grow stronger and more adept, their confidence flourishes, further decreasing the likelihood of injuries both in and out of the gym. In summary, functional fitness plays a pivotal role in injury prevention by enhancing strength, balance, and flexibility. It prepares the body to handle the demands of real life, making every step, lift, and twist safer. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or a seasoned athlete, incorporating functional movements into your routine can be the key to a more resilient and injury-free lifestyle.